Yeah.
Um, can you come outside? I need to talk.
Nah, you don't know me. Let me get my gun. Hold on.
I promise you, I put that on my mother's life. If you say something to me, I'm gonna punch you in your face. I'm not saying no words. So respectfully, take it like that.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Yeah.
Can you come outside? I need to talk.
Nah, you don't know me. Let me get my gun. Hold on.
Alright.
Yes.
Come outside. Where you know me from?
I don't know. I need help.
Call 911.
My
That's who you
phone-
gotta call. 911. You don't call nobody. You don't not gonna.
My phone dead.
Let me call them
No,
for
we
you.
don't got no charger.
Alright.
This guy comes to this door claiming he's law enforcement.
You guys have Raw inside, please open the door. Hello, how you guys doing? If you have Raw inside, please open the door. I am law enforcement. If you guys don't, I'm going to have another couple of units come up to this address, so please just let them out now. If not, we can make this a whole another situation.
Come out, come out then. Come out, come out, come out, come outside, come outside. Come outside, because I'm not scared. I know you're scared, but I'm not. Come outside. Oh yeah, because you don't got a job. So if you hit me and I call CPS, you're gonna lose your daughter, right? Come outside, bitch. Fuck out of here. Pussy. You thought you knew me. You thought yeah, the teacher, so hit me. Hit me, bitch. Hit me, bitch. Hit me. Pussy. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Pussy, fuck out of here. All you do is talk shit. You wanna hit me. You want me to hit you so you can call the cops. Hit me. Hit me. Come on and hit me. Pussy. You pussy, bro. Pussy. All you do is talk shit. If you're not gonna hit me, don't say a word to me, because the next time you say a word to me, I'm gonna punch you in your fucking face. I promise you, I put that on my mother's life. If you say something to me, I'm gonna punch you in your face. I'm not saying no words. So respectfully, take it like that. Pussy ass bitch, fat ass bitch. I will knock your shit out right in front of your camera. Right here. Bitch, what you talking about? Man, you and your man and your dog, y'all all pussy. What you talking about? Yeah, quiet now, pussy. Say something. Say something. What you talking about?
This lady seems to have some major anger problems.
Say something. You're pussy. Say something. Pussy, all you do is talk shit. Man, I wish I took me this shit. I'm outside. I'm trying to do it. You're pussy. I know people like you. I want you to hit me. I'm praying for you to hit me. I can't wait for you to hit me, pussy ass bitch. Fuck you talking about? You got the right one. I promise you, they take your hands on me. I pick out on my life, pussy.
Make sure you get your packages as early as possible. This old man drops himself in just to steal one. Also, don't forget about your other delivery options, PO boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from.
Hey, get the fuck away from here. The police are coming.
Let me know in the comments, what would you do in this situation? This guy comes to the door asking for a ride at 4 a.m. talking about he needs to go to the strip club Las Vegas.
Hello. May I help you?
Hey, my car broke down. I was wondering if I can go to the strip club in Las Vegas. If you could take me there.
What?
Can you take me to Mons Venus? My car broke down. I didn't know it was gonna break down, and I just need help to the strip club. That's all I need. If you're willing.
I'm sorry, sir. We don't know you. Can you please leave the home?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you got
Yes,
money for
ma'am.
the strip club, why not just catch an Uber?
What you doing? Oh, ripping pistol. Okay. What you over there doing? Excuse me? That's not what it looks like. Are you sure? It looks like you're messing with our car. You need to get on. Are you sure? That's what it looks like on my camera. You need to get up out of here. Yeah, okay, nothing. You need to get your stuff. You need to get your stuff. Let's go. Yeah, you need to go. And don't come back. Better take your bitch ass home.
Every neighborhood needs someone like this. Scare them off.
Next time we're not talking. You hear me?
Do not let these ladies in. We don't know what kind of nefarious activities they're up to.
Sorry, what? The bottom lock is open.
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. Also, don't keep any valuables or personal information in your vehicle, just in case.
Why are you in my driveway? Hello? What are you doing in my driveway? Why y'all in my driveway? Hello, why was you in my driveway?
Not really sure what this guy got going on. Is he tripping or am I tripping? Later on, he comes into the yard and steals a hose.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm sorry. I'm looking for my house. I'm not trying to mess up nothing.
Do not believe him. He definitely looks unhoused.
Excuse me. Do you know what house?
Let me know down in the comments, how did this guy get this car so fast? You think they left the keys in it?
This is private property. Please leave.
Please make sure you double check those doors before you go in. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next one.
Hello.
Please try to lock up those bikes or place them inside, or at least in the backyard if you can. Now one of the kids is missing the bike because of this jerk. If you're expecting groceries, please try to get them ASAP. There's always somebody watching.
Oh man, here we go again.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.